Kaže ne zna gde su lude ko da povukle su. Zove da pita da li hoću da mi rodi decu. Moja svetice, veštice, znaš se prečice do srca moja grešnice. Ključik šestice, a grudi petice i na vratima hotela sve te zvezdice. Mi amor me zove, kaže mi halo. Baby sanjam bele jahte, ceo život da nas prate. Mi amor me zove, kaže mi halo. Baby hoću lance zlatne oko sata dijamante. Mi amor me zove, kaže mi halo. Hoće svuda da je vodim, najlepšu decu da rodim. Mi amor, kaže mi halo. Halo, 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 halo. Ej. Diana, Diana, Diana. Diana, Diana, Diana. Diana, Diana, Diana. Baby, tvoj sam rob, tvoj sam rob. Radim mi te stvari, baby, radim non stop. Veruj, nisam svoj kad nisam tvoj. Zato baci sve te stvari sad na pod. Otkriću ti tajnu, malo kao lajnu. Hoću da te gledam celo veče na FaceTime-u. Otkriću ti tajnu, malo najmanju. Mi amor, mi amor.
Ovaj kraj sam i daj, dođi reci bye bye. I nemo nikad da me zoveš. Nisi taj zadnji sjaj, neću reći opraštaj. Tvoje reči samo bole. Tvoje oči i ovaj grad, ne znam šta je bilo tad. Al Bože, boleće do zore. Će proći i kad, neću nikada nazad. A sve ću stavit ću te pored. Nema veze, proći će i to. Znam da nije lako, nije ovo naše mesto. A to boli ako znam. Za suze proklete, nek me samo ostave. Nema veze, proći će i to. Znam da nije lako, nije ovo naše mesto. A to boli ako znam. Za suze proklete, nek me samo ostave. So ich wieder, immer wieder grüne suchen. Geh vertrauen nach all diesen verfluchten Lügen. Tut mir weh, will dich so zu sehen. Habe aber keine Kraft mehr und muss jetzt weitergehen. Muss jetzt weitergehen, muss jetzt weitergehen. Ja, lass mich hier nicht stehen, lass mich hier nicht stehen. Ja, sad uzori sam, bit ću svaki dan. Al dragi, nemoj da me čekaš. Svaka tvoja laž ubila me je. Noćne vožnje mesto srca, ali nestao sne. Nema veze, proći će i to. Znam da nije lako, nije ovo naše mesto. A to boli ako znam. Za suze proklete, nek me samo ostave. Nema veze, proći će i to. Znam da nije lako, nije ovo naše mesto. A to boli ako znam. Za suze proklete, nek me samo ostave.
Na pogrešnom si mestu našla malo ljubavi. U pogrešnom čoveku znak sigurnosti. A šta će tebi moje laži s pola istine? Takvi kao ja od kraja vole najviše. Na pogrešnom si mestu našla malo ljubavi. U pogrešnom čoveku znak sigurnosti. A šta će tebi moje laži s pola istine? Takvi kao ja od kraja vole najviše. Curim sa ti, samo Bog zna kako ću da...
Da mi je da pored mene nisi tu konstantno. Da ti se pohvalim kako imamo poznanstvo. Hoću samo da vidiš kako živim, kako znam život kao sam, živim jako. Ma nekada dobro, nikada tebe kao da sam mlad. Nikada više pobedu vidi kako nema plana. Samo da ne budu krenuo jer za oboje bi to bilo jako zlo, ništa dobro. Ma Gledam te samo izdaleka ja. Ma neka I veruj mi da dobro vidim izdaleka. Sve to vidim A za me glavno biće ako mi se tako svidi. Ma da je samo sreće da mi kaže dobar dan. Tugu dobro znam, s tobom dobro. Ma samo da mi je da pored mene nisi tu konstantno. Da ti se pohvalim kako imam novi poznanstvo. Hoću samo da vidiš kako živim, kako znam. Život kao sam, živim jako. Ma nekada davno ti gledam tebe kao da sam mlad. Nikada više dovedem vidim kako nema plana. Samo da ne budu krenuo jer za oboje bi to bilo jako zlo, ništa dobro. Ma neka te
tree, so it wouldn't be as large.
You take the cash fine. 15k. That's material.
That's material.
90 days in jail is material.
Buy John's?
Probably cheaper just to buy mine, but he's so against fake trees apparently, Katie, he will not go there. Katie Lyons this morning in for Lisa Abramowitz. I'm Jonathan Ferro, together with Tom Keane as always. Here's your price action in the equity market. The S&P 500 with a bounce from Friday's crate. Can we call it that?
Yes, all we created.
The S&P
crushed. We're on high alert.
32. Advances 0.7%. Yields are higher by 7 basis points to 154. And a turnaround crude, Tom. 71.54, up 5%.
It's coming back. For those just tuning in, we were down our agony and all that. We bounced up nicely. We've come back a little bit on the bounce up here. I'm watching the VIX, 25.10 on the VIX. It was a 24 handle when we started off the morning. Right now in Washington, Joe Matthew joins us, Bloomberg Washington correspondent. What's the power of the middle of the Democratic Party right now? The president speaks today. He'll be speaking to the nation and to the elections of 2022. What's the power of that middle ground?
Well, I think the middle ground today is going to be COVID. I mean, this has been just a massive distraction. If you're going in terms of the midterms here, the way the president is dealing with this is going to be key. And I think today he's got to call for calm, be consistent, acknowledge what we don't know here, and point to what's already been done. If we're going to extrapolate this and talk about potential successes or failures with the 22 midterms, a lot of it is going to come back to the way this president handled COVID and the credibility that he may have acquired in the process. You have to remember today we actually have pretty good protections with international travel. You have to be fully vaccinated. That's something the president had in place by the 8th of November, and he'll point back as well to his six-pronged plan that people, including me, made fun of at the beginning of September because why three prongs aren't enough, I don't know. But it included this employer vaccine mandate that will take form through an OSHA rule coming up in January. This president might look fairly well prepared as he speaks to the American
So, Joe, you and the president had a scone or a sconce, whatever they're called, at Wicked Island Bakery this weekend out in Nantucket. And what he would have talked about is he doesn't want to do with George Bush. And I would suggest, Joe, that all of Washington, both parties, are hardwired off the failure of the Katrina response, which is to get out front of it. That's really what we're dealing with right now.
That's right. That's right, and I think this president says, we've been out in front of it, we got you through Delta, we've handled travel, we're dealing with vaccines and masking despite the political implications, and look at this, we've got a new variant here, and America is in a fairly good place to deal with it, instead of saying, oh my God, we need to shut down the airports here and we need to start creating policy. The biggest obstacle for this president has been politics, the politicizing of masking and vaccines when it comes to COVID.
But speaking of the politics, is there really, between messaging between Republicans and Democrats, is there any party that isn't on board with this, or is there actually consensus in Washington among, the executive and legislative branch, those policymakers, just not among the populace?
Well, when it comes to COVID, look, I don't have to tell you that the idea of masking in schools, the idea of masking at work, the idea of mandating vaccines has been very controversial and in resulting in litigation as the president tries to pursue this mandate, this OSHA rule for companies that have more than 100 employees. He also, of course, already put one in place for federal contractors. So it's difficult to answer that specific.
I veruj mi da dobro vidim iz daleka. Lagano sve to vidim, sve to vidim, sve to vidim. A zajebano bit će ako mi se tako svidi. Mada je samo sreće da mi kaže dobar dan. Tugu dobro znam, s tobom dobro.
Ma samo da mi je da pored mene nisi tu konstantno. Da ti se pohvalim kako imam novo poznanstvo. Hoću samo da vidiš kako živim, kako znam. Život kao san, živim jako.
Ma nekad odavno bih krenuo na tebe kao da sam lava. Nikada više ko pede me vidi kako nema plana. Samo da ne bi da krene do mene, za oboje bi to bilo jako zlo, ništa dobro.
Ma neka te, neka. Ma gledam te samo izdaleka ja. Ma neka te, neka. I veruj mi da dobro vidim iz daleka.
Lagano sve to vidim, sve to vidim, sve to vidim.
A zajebano bit će ako mi se tako svidi.
Mada je samo sreće da mi kaže dobar dan. Tugu dobro znam, s tobom dobro.
Ma samo da mi je da pored mene nisi tu konstantno. Da ti se pohvalim kako imam novo poznanstvo. Hoću samo da vidiš kako živim, kako znam. Život kao san, živim jako.
Ma nekad odavno bih krenuo na tebe kao da sam lava. Nikada više ko pede me vidi kako nema plana. Samo da ne bi da krene do mene, za oboje bi to bilo jako zlo, ništa dobro.
Ma neka te, neka. Ma gledam te samo izdaleka ja. Ma neka te, neka. I veruj mi da dobro vidim iz daleka. Lagano sve to vidim, sve to vidim, sve to vidim. A zajebano bit će ako mi se tako svidi. Mada je samo sreće da mi kaže dobar dan.
Veruj mi da dobro vidim iz daleka. Lagano sve to vidim, sve to vidim, sve to vidim.
A zajebano bit će ako mi se tako svidi.
Mada je samo sreće da mi kaže dobar dan. Tugu dobro znam, s tobom dobro.
Bebe, wow, idi sporije. Lezi dole, mrdej tela, tako bolje. Bebe, wow, kaže voli me. To mi kaže sam, od euforije. Bebe, wow, idi sporije. Lezi dole, mrdej tela, tako bolje. Bebe, wow, kaže voli me. To mi kaže sam, od euforije.
Pula, Rolls Royce. Puna, crna po Kongo. Dupla, pun gas kroz prostor. Taman, liči na moj blok. Pola grada, mala bara, puno para. Puno riba, svaka nam je to dama. Moja braća, veruj, svaki je budala. Ti si sa mnom, baby, ne brini se danas.
Bebe, wow, idi sporije. Lezi dole, mrdej tela, tako bolje. Bebe, wow, kaže voli me. To mi kaže sam, od euforije. Bebe, wow, idi sporije. Lezi dole, mrdej tela, tako bolje. Bebe, wow, kaže voli me. To mi kaže sam, od euforije.
A nije ona pijana. Samo noć se skida kako izgleda. Na njoj je sve od svile jako rizična. A samo htela je da bude ničija. Pola grada, mala bara, puno para. Puno riba, svaka nam je to dama. Moja braća, veruj, svaki je budala. Ti si sa mnom, baby, ne brini se danas.
Bebe, wow, idi sporije. Lezi dole, mrdej tela, tako bolje. Bebe, wow, kaže voli me. To mi kaže sam, od euforije. Bebe, wow, idi sporije. Lezi dole, mrtvi tela, tako bolje je. Bebe, wow, kaže voli me. To mi kaže sam, od euforije.
Koliko si popila, s koliko promila, svakog si debila. Mila si noć odbila, budna do 3 ili bar 2. Uvek ruke njene oko moga vrata. Pogled njen ko sa posljednjeg sprata. Vrtio joj se manta, njen sam od starta. U kosi miris zima, gde si noć odbila. Koliko si popila, s koliko promila, svakog si debila. Mila si noć odbila, budna do 3 ili bar 2. Uvek ruke njene oko moga vrata. Pogled njen ko sa posljednjeg sprata. Vrtio joj se manta, njen sam od starta. Evo stižem bebo, bo, 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 bo. Evo stižem bebo, bo, 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 bo. Evo stižem bebo, bo, 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 bo. Evo stižem bebo, bebo, bebo. Evo stižem bebo. Po celu noć za njom znam da ne spavam. Na vratu tu je trak gde me stezala. Ona na meni se ne umara, ko da me nema još se utvara. Pola sveta mi je ubila, onda kada moje usne svojim je poljubila. U džinu mi lajn, radi ko da izvuko sam lajn. Sa njom sam haj, slatka kao Mai Tai. Kaže mi li skini balmaj i reci da bi bila mila tu kada popijem to. Da bi bila tu kada popijem sto.
Okay, right, we're back. So, looking just at this chart and on the weekly, so we had 2 weeks of bearish movement. So the possibility of continuing bearish pretty high. Looking at daily is kind of rangy. You see, we had support over here in 1785, and we created some resistance around 1800s. So this rejection, this is basically a zone, and these are two zones, so we are now fighting between two zones. So looking at the 4 hour and why I drawn this line over here. So basically I draw this line under the two last 4 hour weeks. So those weeks were respected, and we were expecting bullish movement to fill this week over here. But once we broke this week and broke this week, we can have an idea that we can target maybe 1784 or so, 15 pips to the downside. And on the hourly, basically the idea is still valid, but we need to see. Uh, uh, Price is a little bit ranging now. It's also Monday, so next week I will not be trading Mondays anymore and Fridays. So I will be focusing on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from next week. So, but because I wasn't here on the stream for a long time, I've decided to trade today, Monday, and see what can happen. And basically, you can see I drawn my line at 1791. So we will see now in 25 minutes if we can have a small push for the New York Open. But basically, if we do, this is a strong support also. If we can reject this support over here, if we can respect this support and we can reject, and this candle can close around 1793, then we can target 1796. That could be pretty good target. But if we continue to push bearish and this candle closes around 790, that will be in my opinion beautiful, taking sells and riding them. I mean, this is a pretty big target, and we are still early in the session, so maybe we can target, I don't know, 20 pips, 30 pips. That can also be a good target. So 1787, that can be a pretty good target. So because there basically supplies are here, so maybe price is looking to drop down back to the supply, but we'll see how this candle forms in 25 minutes and how it closes, and maybe we can take some trade. But market's still setting up. It's Monday, so I've decided to open a small account, and so I have less stress starting again trading with my friends over here. So we'll see how that goes. All right, you can see this is resistance. You sell it again. So now this is choppy. This is a little choppy, but let's see. I like this support. I mean, with all this delta, and when it's not delta, it's something new versions. If price respects this support, we can expect it to make even a higher price over here, those weeks over there. But that will be a few hours of movement and so on and so forth. So let's just try to get a small scalp and call it a day, and that would actually be great. So it's Monday, so I do not want to take any crazy targets, and so on. So let's see can what can market do for basically this 4 hour candle is strong bearish. So also buying, selling different over here, but let's wait. Early in the session we can also wait for NYSE open and so on and so forth. So look at this, the mate, bam. Like this was like this, you wait for this you wait for this you wait for this, you wait for this. So those were easy setups. If you have a resistance over here, this one rejects, strong rejection. Next one you take sales over here, you put stop loss over there, easy job. So let's see what can price make for us. Back to trading plan. So we have one chance, and we will be having fixed stop loss and fixed take profit. So once I put my trade on, that's it for today, and I will call it today, and come the next day, and I will not close my trade early. I will have my stop loss and take profit fixed, and it will decide what it wants to do. What the fuck? So it would be nice if we actually close 1793. I would like that actually. So, but let's see. We can still early and 15 minutes, 20 minutes, almost half an hour to go. So let's see. It's all okay. If we even lose, that's good. And we have our one chance for today, so we're good. What? No, I don't like this. But how do I? No. Oh fuck. Oh, baby. Ooh. Yes, boy. Ma, How did I done this? Wait. Fuck. How do I open up my chart? Fucking shit. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh, pičku mat. Nakljuta sranje. Jevo te, pa simboli. How is this possible? Hey, Hey friend, do you know how do I open? You can write in chat. Do you know how do I open my chart back? What fuck is this? Oh yeah, forex. Come on, do metal. Oh jebote, hvala Bogu, jebote, Isus. Čekaj da ga sam malo uredimo, jeboti, pa smate. Kako je šetke cene. Ajde, dobro. Ajde, makni se, gledaj. Lagano se to vidi, se to vidi, se to vidi. Da, strašno jebate, ono. Strašno. Jebate, čak mi je ovo poprsa. Baby, ooh. I always glad će biti lagan in New York Open, but this needs you. We don't need to like get excited, sad. It's just repetition. You come every day, you take one trade, you go today, you come the next day, and this trading stuff you cannot be stressed about. You know, you cannot one day that you have a loss and so you don't go to training, you go smoke weed, you're in the bad mood. Like every day it's just repetition, pam 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 pam, repetition, pam 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 pam, repetition. So you have a losing trade, you do everything like you do on the winning. You don't, when you have a winning trade, you do everything good, you're happy. You understand me, like. So I actually do like this New York Open, but we will see. This is 30 pips stop loss basically for 30 pips target over here. So I would love the next candle to make a pullback, so I would like to get a better price over here. But let's you. That's why I opened a smaller account, and but now I will not. Now I will try. I withdrew 3,000, and so basically because Christmas is coming and I'm going to. I bought myself a lot of clothes, and I'm going to spend New Year's Eve with my friends, and maybe we do travel to Dubai. We will see, but it's coming. This year is coming to an end, and in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we will not be trading on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve and things of that nature. So I just don't want this candle to shoot. I would really like 793 will be my price, which I would like. 794, 95. I don't like that price point. So, but you can see basically that this line over here is just perfect. Buys above, sells below, and expecting the volume and momentum to come in with New York session and those crazy Americans will push. 4 hours still looking bearish, but we'll see. Alright, we are good. But Monday we will have all this volume coming in, so alright. See, I really do not want to buy at 794. I would like for us we have a pullback, and 793 I like that price. 794 amazing, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, I see you in 5 minutes. fuck. Okay, I will. Oh fuck! Why is this happening when we have? When we have 5 minutes until the New York Open, I don't understand like why, but okay, 10 minutes is okay. All right, 10 minutes, okay. We should be good. Fuck. Or okay, I will go. I will open a new one, right? And I will send you a link, and I think I can do that in 5 minutes. All right. All right. Bebe. Oh, yes, boy. Bebe. Whoa, yes, boy. Okay, I do like this, and I will give. This is my only chance for today. and I think I will spend it on this one, but I would just like to get a better price point over here, because if I get the price 794, then my TP will be 798. So I would like to get 793 price and shoot for 796.5, but let's see. If I don't get that price, I don't know. I will then execute my trade and I'll move my TP higher. So okay, can I get 793? Do we have 793 in the books? Alright, a little bit more. Alright, a little bit more. Okay, just a little bit more. Come on, you can do it. Can we get 790? Come on, give me 793, right? I want that price. Okay, a little bit more. Come on, you can do it. 2 pips, alright? Come on, go. Drop 2 more pips. Okay. 793, do we have it in the books or we have 794? 790. Okay, I think I do like also this price, right? Let's see if we can drop. Okay. We did get 790. Okay. Okay, so this is my trade for today, and we'll see how it goes. I could even get a better price at 793, but I didn't really want to risk it, so I choose to have a 793.3, and 796 is our target, so we'll see how it goes. It's okay. It's our one chance for today, so let's take it easy. So while this trade is running, I am going to maybe prepare my lunch or do something, and I will not move my stop loss, I will not move my take profit, and I will just let it run. So it is what it is what it is, and so that's it for today, and I'm going to prepare my lunch, and I see you in 10 minutes. All right? Okay.